Today is cooking class day. I'm ready here with my hat. And be careful, we are going to need an adult to make our brigadeirão, okay? We are going to need butter, 3 eggs, chocolate in powder, condensed milk, and heavy cream, okay? The first thing we have to do is to put all of our ingredients. So we have here the chocolate in powder that I put inside the cup. It's 1 cup, okay? We put on our blender cup. Then 1 condensed milk. You have to ask for an adult to help you.
Do you like donut juice? No,
Yes, that's delicious. I love it.
Do you like popcorn? Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
I opened my heavy cream
Like
and I
pizza?
put here with the other ingredients.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Now,
Do you like popcorn?
1 tablespoon of butter. Okay,
No, I
like
don't.
this. Put inside the blender. Great.
Do you like bananas?
Now the 3 eggs, you have to break one by one here
Yes, I do.
to see if everything is okay. This one's okay.
Yes, I do.
1
Yes,
egg.
I do. Do you like banana soup?
2 eggs.
Don't. Yuck.
3 eggs, okay? Great.
Head. Shoulders.
Now the part you love. We have to blend it all, so ask for an adult and put it to work. Now you have to put that thing that you mix it, you blend it, inside your pan.
Like broccoli?
I already buttered my pan.
Yes, I do. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
That's it.
Do you like broccoli?
Now this is important. You have to put your pan inside of another pan with water. Look, this is water. I already put it inside. Now I get this one and put here.
Do you like donuts?
And you are going to need an adult to put inside your oven,
Do
okay?
you like juice?
Be careful.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like donut juice?
You have to set your oven for 180 degrees for 20 minutes.
Do you like popcorn?
After it finished baking,
Yes, I
you have
do.
to ask an adult
Yes, I do.
to take it
Do
off.
you like
Look.
pizza? Yes, I do.
Be careful.
Yes, I do. Do you like popcorn?
Now we have to take it off here and put inside the fridge.